Good morning, students. Today we will discuss long answer question. What does Nelson say about courage, torture, sacrifices and strength of the leaders of freedom struggle? The answer is Nelson thanks all his comrades in the freedom struggle. Comrades means companions. He thanked to all his companions for the help in the freedom struggle. They laid down their lives for an idea. Which idea? Idea for freedom. Freedom from white rule. It was from them that he himself learned the meaning of courage, and due to this freedom struggle, he get to know what is the meaning of courage. It did not mean just the absence of fear, but the victory over it. The brave man is he who conquers fear. So what he learned through this, he learned that the person who has victory over his fear is a brave person. Racial hatred is generated by people in power. What he said, the racial hatred is only being generated by people those are in power. Means those are politicians or those are industrialists, bureaucrats. Those are having some power in their hand. They, to suppress others, they create these kind of social evils. The color of the skin or one's religion do not prove the superiority of one race over another. He said that nobody's color of skin, nobody's religion is giving him or her the authority to feel superior against others. If people can learn to hate, they can also be taught to love, which comes more naturally to the human heart. Man's goodness can never be killed altogether. He also learned that if we can taught or if we can teach anyone the hatred, then we can also teach love to those people, because love is naturally coming to the human heart. So he said both exist on the same time. In life, every man has two obligations. One is his duty to his family and the other to his community. In a civilized society, it is possible to fulfill both. But under the white rule, colored people were tortured. He said every human being has to follow two obligations. What are those two obligations? One is for the family and second one is for the community. And in any civilized society, or we can say democratic society, people get the opportunity to fulfill both the things. But due to the white rule in Africa, the colored people were tortured in Africa. Nelson himself was not allowed to serve his people. Even Nelson was not able to help his own people. So that's why he has come forward to just help his own people to come out of this discrimination. He began to hunger of freedom for himself as a student. As a young man, he wanted all his people to live an honorable, lawful life. So his hunger for freedom started when he was a student, when he was a young man, and after that only he started thinking about his own society, and because of that reason what he did, he joined the African National Congress to reach in his goal. So he joined National Congress so that he could fulfill his goal. He discovered that the oppressed and the oppressor alike lose human feelings. He also found out that the people who think that we are the boss or we are making other people slave, the slave as well as the owner, both are being losing their own human feelings. Both are being losing their own humanity. So both are losing something in their life. I hope you understood. Please go through with this question again. Thank you.